Yo, what's up? Mateo Trades back again with another backtesting video. Today I'm going to be backtesting, I think it's the last week of January 2022, and this concludes the first month of my backtesting a week a day until I'm profitable. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. These are the stats right now. Yeah, so not horrible. Definitely could be better, but yeah, the approach that I'm taking right now is I'm just trying to be discretionary, but also like follow my model to a T, and not like, I don't know, like I want to learn, but I don't want to just throw my stats in the garbage. So yeah, all right, so we'll just start off. I think it's the 24th, right? Yeah, Monday the 24th. Okay, so we have weekly opening lower. We're kind of ripping through this low right now. Let's see where we at. Okay, ripping through this low. We have this unfilled weekly. It's pretty far away, to be honest, but we're tapping into this daily OB. Okay. Okay, we're on the 4-hour external range. We do have an unfilled 4 that's about to be created right here. And we are in pretty bearish order flow, so this is kind of rough. I mean, this looks pretty bullish, to be honest. Like stacked buy side, unfilled 4-hour, but we're just kind of ripping lower. So like I would need some, I don't know, I'd need some bullish structure if I want to be bullish here. I think it's like we could see lower. I need a healthy retracement first. Okay. Yeah, I mean, where are we? Okay, came pretty close to that low. Okay, I mean, I'm like overall leaning more bullish, or sorry, bearish, because we're in bearish order flow and just ripped through the main bullish condition, but I think we need to see a pullback to RL before seeing lower. Draw liquidity for our unfilled or session highs. Yeah, I mean, like these session highs are really clean. Do we have like a daily open low or something? Nah, not really. Yeah, no, daily open high into that 1-hour SIBI. It's not bad. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I think I'll just have to see how we react off these levels here. This might also hold. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see how we're moving off open. I don't really have like a super strong condition right now, or like a very strong bias. I guess this 1-hour can be like kind of like my condition. 1-hour SIBI, strength of draw, like a 2. Really not confident. It's also Monday, so I'd just rather be risk off today. Ooh. I kind of take that back. This looks really good. Do we have a 2-minute? No. Damn, this looks really good. Slot CE of that 30-minute. Where are we in relation to CE? Ooh, tapped CE as well. SMT here. Dang, bro. just really don't like that hourly. We're also so like discounted right now. Yeah, I'm like I feel like I should just be risk off for today. Like internally, this is a really good setup, but I feel like I don't know. I feel like it's a bit of a pattern trade, and I don't know. I think maybe I have like a bias toward longs, but overall, I don't want to be shorting in such discounted PA, especially when we have like an hourly and a 4 hour getting created right here, and we're on the external range. We do have good sell side though. Yeah, I don't know. I'll forward test this. Yeah. Yeah, see what happens. Okay. Yeah, that's fair. I mean, it was like internally, it was a really good trade. It's just, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, like, I guess this is a 30-minute breakaway gap, but this is just like an unfilled, like, yeah, just straight up like an unfilled hourly. But we did trade it back into EQ. Yeah, I don't know. I'll go over this later, and I'll see if that's something that I should have taken, but I don't know. Yeah, just didn't really have the conviction for it. Anyway, let's see what happens now. Okay. Okay, soup that external low. We don't really have any conditions opening up. Wow, yeah, just straight bearish. Looks like we're headed for this low. I could take a con. I mean, yeah, I could take a con. Oh, never mind. There's no fair value gaps. Okay. This is EQ. It's also this breaker. Then we have this little OB right here. But I don't know. Let's see if that ends up holding. We do have this 30-minute or 30-second inversion, but yeah, just not a big fan. We're not really delivering from any fair value gaps, which is like my main thing. Oh, we did also tap this OB, which is pretty clean, but yeah, still same problem. Let's see if this ends up running though. Yeah, horrible delivery. Yeah, probably just would have been break even. And okay, it's past 11. Yeah, I don't know. I think it was just I need to like rewatch this recording and see, because I'm really not too sure, but I think it was decent. It was just a bit discounted. Yeah, definitely need to review that day. Alright, let's check out Tuesday. Alright, so let's see. Monthly, we're inside of this monthly gap. Tap that monthly OB. We also tapped this weekly BPR. Dang, super strong rejection too. And daily unfilled. Damn, this daily rejection candle looks nice. Daily open low. We didn't quite trade into see of this RB yet. But that's okay. Hold up. We are inside of this 4 hour. We didn't inverse higher, but I mean, I guess this 4 hours is like my main condition. I don't know. I'm not really like too. Yeah, I wouldn't really like to be bearish today. Oh, okay, cool. So we have seeking historic conditions. Take a London session low. We're inside of this 4 hour. Makes a lot of sense to see higher here. We're also inside of this daily rejection block. We have good buy side at previous day's high. I think this is what? Yeah, just a significant high. 4 hour intermediate term high. Pretty clean. We do have this hourly here. I don't really think that matters though, to be honest. Honestly, I think I just want to see either caught or open low, leave buy side. Just something like this, like open low, and then we could target this 1 hour right here. That would be clean, but I have a feeling that we might open higher, so I guess we'll see. But yeah, we'll see. Leaning more bullish today. Topped weekly BPR and super strong daily rejection candle, and then today daily opened lower and we have daily unfilled above. Go back to 4 hour BSC and daily RB, and then we have seek and destroy internally. DOL daily unfilled and one session high. Wait, do we have news? 10 a.m. Okay, we do have some 10 a.m. news. Consumer confidence is pretty impactful, but I think like we can definitely trade before if conditions look good. I guess 4 hour would be the condition to see lower, but I'm not super bearish. Obvious. Nope, wrong way. I'll give this a 4. I think this is pretty clear. Yeah, I'm pretty confident in this, so we'll see how this ends up opening. Okay, take out the hourly. Kind of chopping. Okay, cool. Actually, I mean, no. Like, I was gonna say shorts here look pretty good. Like, off that 1 minute right there. But, yeah, it's pretty trash, to be honest. Because, like, there's just no narrative behind it. It's just complete pattern trade. So let's see if we react off that level. No reaction yet. 10 a.m. is about to open. And we inverse the 4 hour. Really strong displacement here as well. I guess this unfilled hourly doesn't look too bad. Hourly's holding bearish. Same with here. Displacing through that low. Okay. Okay, actually I could see con shorts, to be honest. I think this is pretty clear. Like, if I just don't really look at higher time frame. Like if I, okay, wait, what the fuss? I guess if I ignore this daily and just understand that we're on the 4 hour still in bearish order flow, then this is pretty clear shorts. But I don't know. I would want to see us generate some sell side and then maybe top that 5 minute. Yo. Okay, I can't lie. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Top the 5 minute, top the 15 minute. We're about to open a 30 minute, so if we can get a 30 minute open high, that'd be okay. Never mind. 30 minute inverse. Damn, 15 minute inverse. What the flip? I mean, do we trade back to OTE? Nah. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see how we are moving after this. Maybe if we inverse this 5 minute, I can see this continue holding bearish. Just because we just smacked 705. Tap this breaker, OB. And we have good sell side below, but wow, okay. 3 minute inversion. Holding the 5 minute. 15 minute IFEG. Oh, we did just top CE of this daily rejection block. That is kind of clean. I don't really like this inversion though. This is kind of trash. Like, bro, a random like one candle, and we have hella LR down below. Damn. Let's see. Dang, I really like that CE rejection. I don't know, man. Oh, bro, that's so clean, bro. And then 30 or 15 minute IFEG. But like, also, what are we targeting? Internally, it's just not really high resistance, but like kind of, yeah. Like it's a high that swept another high. And traded, yeah. Like we're targeting high resistance, and above there's high resistance as well. We do have kind of slanted eyes. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna fade this. It's also just kind of late in the session. Low resistance liquidity below as well. Okay. Is that a 5 minute? No. We do have this 3 minute con. Or it might not make a con. Okay. Um, 10 a.m. Open higher. 11 a.m. Opens higher, no entry. Like, we do have this 5 minute inversion. We did generate good high resistance liquidity above. Good market structure shift on the 5. Good targets below. Holding that OB. Holding that 15 minute rejection block. Same with the 1 hour. Dang, this does look really clean. I don't know, it's just like 11, it's past 11:10. I mean, technically I would take it right here. But like, what's even the RR on this? Okay, it's not horrible. Could be better for sure. Yeah, generated. Bro, this LRL looks so good, man. I feel like I just need to take this. Like, I feel like this just makes so much sense. I don't really like this, though. Yeah, I don't... bro. I'm too conflicted. I'm just gonna fade it. Okay, good. Okay, good fade, good fade. Let's see, where do we end up going? Interesting. I have a stop rate to hit that 4 minute. Bro, let's go. I faded it for the right reason. That's actually fire. Let's go. I bet. I mean, the short was good. It was a bit late in the session, though. Yeah. Decent. That was good. That was good. Good fade. Too late in the session to take that short, though. It is because I had a 4 minute ago and I just wasn't feeling super confident with this inversion. Overall, duo didn't play out, but after condition was met, it seemed pretty clear bearish to the 1 hour unfilled. I think today was pretty good. I think my analysis was pretty good. Could I have done anything better, I guess? I think, honestly, I think today was pretty good. Like, this long, I think, was a good fade. This 3 minute. Like, it was okay, but we just had too much LRL. Bad inversion because of all this 1 minute LRL. And then, yeah, 15-minute inversion. It was just, I don't know, it was hard PA to trade today for sure. Wait, was that the 26th? No, that was the 25th. I think that's... is that worth reviewing later? I don't know. Whatever. I'll figure it out. Okay, next day. Bro, okay. Fuzz, man. What? Ain't no way we left a DM on this too, bro. But it's just, okay, it looks way too obvious to that high. Yeah, okay. Wait, I didn't even check the 4 hour yet, chill. Delivering out of this daily rejection block. 4 hour rejection block looks clean as well. Top CE. Good market structure shift. Yeah, I really like this. We do have this 4 hour opening here. So we may want to see pull back into that before seeing higher. We do also have stack session lows. So this is going to be my condition. If I see that we're displacing into this, and then we get, like, I don't know. I think, okay, we just took previous day's high. Maybe it wasn't this previous day's high. That was Monday, okay. Yeah, okay, so we took previous day's high. If we do get, like, some bearish structure off that, then I could possibly see lower. Whereas, okay, daily unfilled's there. I gotta keep my eye on that. Yeah, I don't know. I guess if I see bear structure displacing through this, and yeah, and we just push through this, then I could see these lows, and that's like my main draw for the day. Okay, so leaning more bullish right now toward unfilled daily. We're in bullish delivery off the daily RB and the 4-hour RB, and we have a 4-hour market structure shift and 1-hour open below, I think. Yeah, 1 hour for gap open below. For gap opened below, which I would like to see a pullback to before trading higher or top daily and pullback to internal. Yeah, I think overall the I think that we might run because of that, or if we make an SMT with buy side and NQ takes out this high, then I could see a pullback to internal here. But whatever happens, I just want to see. Actually, it might be good to, yeah, we'll see. I don't know. Draw liquidity, daily, unfilled, or if hit 1 hour, unfilled. Yeah. Conditions, 1 hour, BSC. This is probably a 4. I'm pretty confident in this. Okay. Tapping into this 15-minute. Not really showing much of a reaction here. Is that a soup on the... No. Okay. Tap that. Ooh. Yo, that's clean. Do we have... Wait. Hopefully this isn't... Oh, you prick. Flip, man. Okay. I'm just gonna forward test today. That's really annoying. But, okay. We don't have an unfilled 5-minute. Maybe like, yeah, unfilled 3-minute. Oh, this piece looks really clean. But it's also chopping, and so... Oh my gosh, bro. This is so A+, man. It's just, time is not good. Just because of FOMC, bro. Yeah, FOMC AM. I can't take this. Bro. It's so clean. This would have been break even. Oh, would it? Yeah. Was there a 4-minute? Yeah, that probably would have been my break even. Would this have been a good break even though? Yeah, and then I could have just re-entered off this 3-minute. Something like this maybe. Yeah, but I don't like, this is a lot less probable and low-key a little bit FOMO. Maybe, is there like a 1-minute uni? Oh, maybe I could take it off that. Obviously I'm not gonna take it, but like for forward testing, I don't know, I'll see if that plays out. Yeah, wow, fuss. Bottom tick, bro. Damn, okay. That's good. Honestly, really clean PA. Damn. Yeah, I didn't know FOMC was like that. FOMC AM usually sucks. Oh, there was this 4-minute. Probably would have been the same deal though. Yeah, probably could have taken it off this like 1-minute CISD, so it would have been like this. That's low-key really high. Stop would have been like down here. Would have been, yeah, I guess just 1-to-1. Damn. Yeah, no delivery. I guess we're just waiting for PM. I don't know, let's low-key, let's check out PM, see how that looks. Okay, we did just take out previous day's high, delivering from the 4 hour. I'm just gonna do this real quick. Let's see. 15-minute unfilled open up. 30-minute right here. Could see a pullback into that off FOMC and then long. I don't know. We'll see. Damn, slow FOMC, bro. Oh, because it didn't hit yet. Flip. Oh shoot. Spit on my mic. Ew. Damn, okay, whatever. Sorry if that was, oh, yeah, sorry if that was loud. Damn, ripped straight to that. Let's see, do we got a 30-second? No way, bruh. Yeah, let's see how we print. Okay. Yeah, manipulates higher. And then you can expect the 230 to trade lower. Makes sense, I guess. I think it would have been cleaner if we didn't hit that 4 hour though. I think that kind of makes things awkward. Yeah. Anyway, this was a good day. Really good and surprisingly. Two really good setups. Both, or no, one hit, the other was B rated. Super A plus model, but no entries because of FOMC. Yeah, let me do this. Actually, I'll review this day too. Okay, the 27th. Let's see. Okay, damn, we're just like ranging right now. Yo, why does the daily look like that? That doesn't look right. Yeah, I think the daily was messed up. Yeah, okay. Okay, Soup's previous day's low. Tapped into the end dog. And we're running up toward previous day's high. Did I zoom in by accident? What happened? Yeah, okay. Yeah, still just like weekly just looks pretty bullish, honestly. We are inside this 4 hour. And we do have a DM on the bottom of this 4 hour candle. Asia low sponsored, but London is not. I don't know. I don't really like longs. This feels more bearish. Like overall delivering from this bearish displacement. Push through that, took the slow pull back to internal, and we're overall in bearish order flow. Yeah, I feel like it would make more sense to be bearish here. And also just based on targets, like we have what's it called? We have some stacked lows here. We have unsponsored London lows. We have this intermediate term low. Wait, we have the 4 hour DM, we have the intermediate term low. And like we are in bullish order flow. But I would like to see a flip in order flow. And then some shorts if we can get like a 15-minute market structure shift. Or like, bro, honestly I'm really confident if we can get even like a 5-minute like really strong market structure shift and then cons, I could definitely take some shorts. I want to be more bearish here, but we're in bullish 1 hour order flow off previous day's low. So I need a aligned flip. Is that how to spell it? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, flip in order flow, and then I could see shorts were overall my time frame in bearish order flow and in bearish 4-hour order flow, delivering from the daily SIBI. And now go back into the 4-hour SIBI. Okay, it's pretty clean. I'm on session low and Asia session low. Conditions 4-hour SIBI is overall condition. If inversed, I could see higher. If holds and we get bearish structure, I could see lower. Strength of draw. Bro, like, honestly, I really like this. Watch it just go straight up. 830. Yeah, it's not really data lows. But yeah. Okay. Let's see how open looks. Okay. Good displacement. We did not inverse the 15-minute yet. I got 15-minute held, 5-minute. It's displacing pretty hard. Let's see, where are we in relation to the 4-hour? Alright, we're about to close through this. We have a 4-hour rejection block, or 15-minute rejection block, and 5-minute BISI, sorry, and then I would kind of just want to see us generate some buy side here. Already took that high. Let's see. Yes, previous highs right there. Looks like a good draw. And how are we looking? Okay, 4-hour inversed. That's fine. Just created this 30-minute and 15-minute rejection block with this 5-minute inside of it, 5 minutes rejecting. We do have a potential inversion here. Do we have a 2-minute? No, just 1 minute. Oh, what the flip is that inversion, bro? I was about to say this looks so good, but that's so trash. Okay, do we have like a 30-second uni that we can... Yeah, we can take this 30-second uni. Oh, it's just like targets are so mid now. Like, if this high was in, then we would have the ABS and this accumulation zone high. We still do have that accumulation zone high and really clean manipulation. Yeah, I'll probably still take this. Let's be real. I'm not fading this, bro. Did we just say CE? No, we didn't. Though I think we did hit OTE of this range. Yeah, we did. Okay. Alright. Okay, let me do a little top down. Alright, so we got daily overall bearish, rejecting this, but then internally we soup this low, tapped into the bottom part of this RB. Doesn't really look like it's holding though, to be fair. The weekly though does look pretty bullish. 4-hour then goes and inverses that, but we have this unfilled 4-hour with the DM on the low there. I mean, we don't really have any reason to trade lower. I guess we're in like OTE still. Yeah. I don't know, I'm pretty conflicted. Although this is it's not really a breakaway gap. We are in pretty strong bullish order flow though. This 1-hour OB is holding, 30 minutes holding. Like, bro, this just looks so clean. Just for like a little internal model. Do you have 10 a.m. news? Nah, it's kind of weak. Yeah, that breaker should hold. Dude, I don't know. It's low key just kind of high resistance. But also, I feel like this is still a really good trade, even though it's kind of high resistance. Like high resistance versus high resistance, but it's really like, what's more likely to get hit with this kind of displacement, bro? I feel like it's so unlikely that we like trade back lower. Like accumulation, manipulation, second leg, breaker created, it uni on the 32nd. Honestly, on the 32nd, this looks really good. Yeah, I think this is a good trade. Also with that 5 minute, bro, come on. Idea traded back into the 15-minute RB and 5-minute BC and souped internal low and then 1-minute IFEG and market structure shift, but I'm taking this off the 30-second uni for better RR. I'll give it a 4. I think it's pretty clean. Yeah. Yeah. It is high resistance versus high resistance, but I still really like this. Yeah, okay. Let's see if this even gets filled. Okay, it's filled there. Alright, so Friday, bullish. Let's see. On the daily, we are delivering from an internal soup. No session raid. No external. We are delivering from an RB. I don't think. Yeah, we're not really delivering from anything super immediate. But here we are. We're delivering from a sponsored 5-minute rejection block. I'm just gonna get RB. Do we have an internal SMT? Let's see. Nah. Okay, that's fine though. Rejection block. Do we have an order block here? We do have this 5-minute OB. Yeah, so 5-minute 5-minute order block. OTE. No 3 drive. Actually though, yeah, low key we kind of do have this little 3 drive here. Internal soup, yeah. I think that's it. It's pretty good though. 10 a.m. open low. And then 1-minute premiums. Yeah, so we'll see how that goes. Give it a 4. Yeah. Nice. Okay, cool. Honestly, I'm really happy with this trade. Cause like, I could have so easily just faded that because it was high resistance versus high resistance, and I would want to trade like the most 100% optimal conditions, but like realistically, like this whole week, there's been like no trades, and so I feel like I need to start like prioritizing learning more discretionary ways of trading, and high resistance versus high resistance is one of those ways. And I feel like everything else lined up here for this trade, and yeah, I think it just made perfect sense. Especially, I really like this displacement on this 1 minute and then the 30-second uni for the entry. I think that made perfect sense. But yeah, 1.13 R. Really happy with this trade because HR versus HR, but was still super confident and trusted my discretion and one thing I really liked was the 5-minute displacements and the 1-minute displacing candle, because it showed a lot of what's it called? A lot of intention to trade higher. Yeah. Okay, wait. What was the 282? Okay, sick. 282. 282. Damn. Been on a nice win streak. That's good. And this was probably... Was there anything wrong today that I did? No, I think I played today really well. It was still condition based off open. Saw that conditions were holding bullish. I wasn't married to my bias. 4-hour inversion. Pretty clean draw to the previous 4-hour high. And yeah, really good trade. So 10 out of 10 for sure. Yeah, really happy with that. Alright, cool. Oh shit. Super good day today. Really happy that I wasn't married to my bias. And allowing myself to be more discretionary. And I don't know, I feel like I'm like training myself to see what the market's doing and like understanding it better. Just one sec. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm really happy about this day. I feel like recently, like in the last probably 2 backtesting sessions, I've been allowing myself to use more PDRs, like how I used the 15-minute RB today, which gave me a lot more confidence, or like seeing the ABS model. I don't usually trade ABS, but seeing this, and I mean, I guess this wasn't an ABS because the breaker formed, but also using OTE, using this uni for this entry. I think I did the same thing. I don't know if it was last backtesting day, like Thursday, or if it was Wednesday. I think it was Wednesday when I caught that bottom tick entry. Like I don't know, I feel like I'm just really happy with this backtesting session, so probably gonna rewatch this a couple times, but yeah. Yeah. And to see how we use other PDAs to deliver price. Also, just really good trade. And yeah, it's really good. So let's see, P&L for the month. Oh wait, that was the day. Didn't even end yet. Wait, I should probably go finish that day. Damn, I didn't even realize. Probably not going to take anything else, but we'll see. Okay. Yeah, nothing else looks super A+. Yeah, nothing looks very good today. Bro, I'm fighting the urge not to take shorts. This just looks so clear for shorts. Never mind. Yeah, I don't like that suit. Okay, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah, not really. Nothing to analyze there. It's kind of chopped. Oh, one sec. Anyway, this is win rate 83% so far. We are 5-1. Nice. Pretty trash average RR, I'll be honest. That definitely needs to go up, but this has been a really good month. Wow, that's very few trades. Damn. Okay, so pretty good. I mean, like, good risk management for sure. Took this one loss. To be fair, it was a bad loss, but then sized up on this one because it was a good trade. All these were good trades. And yeah, I mean, like, I'm not super happy with this month just because I did only take 8 trades. So that definitely I definitely need to increase that. And I think that's, yeah, next backtesting session would be February. Okay, so for February, I'm probably just going to be focused on maybe a bit higher trade frequency and just continuing to improve my discretion. But yeah, honestly, I'm pretty happy with this given how we started the month. But yeah, so anyway, if you watched all the way through, thank you. I will see you in the next video. And yeah, just yeah, good backtesting session. Thank y'all for watching, and peace out.